Very soon after the executive order for crypto was passed by President Joe Biden, there have been uncoordinated regulatory measures that may facilitate destabilization of capital flows. The Biden administration is planning on new regulatory measures and strategies that will be announced by the president this week. Now the question here remains, will it affect the cryptocurrency market positively or negatively? If you want to learn more, stick to the end of this video as it will aid you in the decision-making process about your next step in the crypto world. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto and welcome to AB Crypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _AB_crypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. While the nearly $2.5 trillion of market capitalization indicates the significant economic value of technological innovations such as the blockchain, it might also reflect a hit and run in an environment of inflated values. Like for example, back in 2021, when the early reactions to the Omicron variant included a significant crypto sell-off. So what is going to happen this week is making the hearts of many crypto investors pound even harder, because many of us have no idea if this new executive order is good or bad for us in the crypto world. Now, thanks to our video, we will be using a few different viewpoints to analyze the weight of this situation. The first common issue that this new executive order is going to target is financial stability. The new executive order is going to handle the financial system risks of crypto assets. Determining valuation is not the only challenge in the crypto ecosystem, but also identification, monitoring, and management of risky DeFi regulators and firms. Some other examples include operational and financial integrity risks from crypto asset exchanges and wallets, investor protection, inadequate reserves, and inaccurate disclosure of some stablecoins. Those are some of the problems that the Financial Stability Oversight Council will study and handle. The question is, what could be the result if they handled some of those problems by closing some stablecoins that we've mentioned in our earlier videos? Yes, it may be a good move to disclose the facts about the financial system risks from crypto assets, but has the Biden administration thought of the millions of investors who have invested close to millions in some stablecoins that may be closed? Because right now, many are in a dilemma of whether or not to remove their funds from these stable coins. The worst part is, most even have no idea about which stable coins the Financial Stability Oversight Council might close. So, this could pose a disadvantage to many of us. The move to do that is somewhat appreciated, since it will help build against the privacy issues created by some digital assets, as nowadays the crypto market is always filled with a new chain of altcoins and stablecoins, of which some lack privacy protection from their users. Now, this goes back to you as the investor. You can check the digital crypto platforms you've invested your coins or money in, and if your trust is below a certain level than what you expected, you should transfer your coins immediately to other platforms where you are sure about their privacy. And this should be done before the decision day elapses. The Biden government will also be expected to look at coordinating with other countries around the world to standardize rules for crypto, which in our opinion is a good idea. The State Department, Treasury, Commerce Department, and the USAID will work to create a framework for interagency international engagement with foreign counterparts in an international forum to enhance the adoption of digital assets and standardized rules. Lastly, are the regulations in the crypto market. The strategy that Biden's administration is adopting is to reduce the overflow of cash in the crypto market, which could be potentially deteriorating the values of some currencies around the world. So, the order will input taxation orders in the cryptocurrency market to curb the high liquidity of cash flows in the market. So, from your guys' point of view, is the new executive order for the better or worse for the crypto space? Share your opinions and suggestions in the comments section below. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.